It's hailing.
Fuck.
This is like
Why are you using my phone?
why the fuck not? And the people over there, so should know.
Hold on, kid, hold this while I open the window a little bit.
Well, here's more hail.
Okay. Here's the stuff.
That's all hail. I need to close the window. They're coming.
It usually doesn't go on.
Fuck! It's like making it get so.
Imagine if you were tripping and we got caught outside in the
Oh my
You would
god.
have been like, what the fuck? That would have been
Oh my god. Dude, it's like.
It never lasts that long.
Yeah, it's like kind of
Let's
finishing
go
up.
downstairs and pick up one and eat one.
Eat it?
What if we start
That's
tripping?
disgusting. Don't do that, please. Holy shit!
Dude, it's like someone just salted all the roads.
No, it's like it snowed. It snowed in the middle of summer.
Dude, yeah, what the fuck is that even called? How is there hail?
The temperature, like, I guess, above is cold in the atmosphere. And, like, it survived on the way down. Those are just raining now.
My status is fucking golf balls falling.
Oh my god, it's the apocalypse.
Dude, look